Good morning, guys. Just headed to a call I was at about a month ago. One of the calls that I hate the most, which is a noise call. And then you get there and of course it's not producing the noise. But she has an EL296 made by Lennox. There was a bulletin that came out that stated if there's on a cold startup, if there is a deep rumbling, sort of a foghorn noise that persists for about 5 to 15 seconds, it's an issue with the burners. So I'll post the bulletin in the video for you guys to have a look at. Lennox came out with what's known as a noise reduction burner, and all it is a set of burners with screws in each of the in-shot burners, and that affects it in some way or other to prevent that noise. So I'm on my way there. If I can get some footage for you guys, I will. So I'll see you when I get there. All right, so I got the customer to start it up. She's gonna fire it up, see if we could hear that noise. Here's the burners. You guys can see that, but they put screws in these through each in-shot burner. And that's supposed to reduce the noise. Interesting. Set that. Be careful of that HVAC. So there's 2 screws under here you want to grab. Okay, 2 on each side, left and right. Just like that. The new one's in. So 4 screws I've put in, got the burners in. Now we'll put on the bottom. Just be very careful with that HSI. Now, I was thinking about taking the burner box off, but as you could see, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's 3-inch. Right about where my finger is. And I wanted to leave enough room here in case we ever needed to cut and swap something out, like an evaporator or something. But you could do either or. You could cut the venting, take the burner box out. But I get paid by the hour. Clean up these wires. Alright guys, so I got everything buttoned up. I'm going to fire this bad boy up. Fairly simple repair, typical Lennox. I'm just going to make sure I got everything tight. Alright guys, got the new burners in. As you saw, just remove the bottom 4 screws, and then there's 4 screws holding in the burners. Take the inducer off, take the manifold off, fairly easy. Or cut this and you could remove the whole burner box, but I mean, I don't know which way would be faster. Take this off, remove that, go from underneath. It was pretty easy for me. So I got it all buttoned up. Everything's back connected. I'm going to fire this bad boy up and see how she goes. So fairly easy repair. I mean, hopefully this solves it for the customer. Basically, a couple things I do with this instance. If I get here, I don't hear the noise, I'll let them know to drop the temperature overnight, fire it up in the morning, which will allow a cold startup. Bulletin indicates on cold startup it tends to happen. If they hear a deep roar or a foghorn sound, chances are that's what it is. I never once heard it while I was here, but you know, we'll see if this helps the customer out. It's all under warranty. Flames look okay, should be kicking into high gear shortly. Nothing out of the norm. Okay guys, so that's it. EL296 burner swap due to foghorn noise. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know what you would have done different. Hit the like or the dislike button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the people watching. See you on the next one.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got